Welcome. In front of me is a Poco X6 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be doing this just on the home screen, so for me home screen is already open and visible. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is actually visible right now on your display. Once that is the case, hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have a flash along with two options, scroll and send, and after a moment this pop-up will disappear. Now the scroll option is only accessible in content that can be scrolled down on, aka for instance, settings. Anyway, once you've captured that screenshot, you can locate it in your Photos application. And by default, you should be probably located in the Photos tab. So to find the screenshot, you can do so by just locating in the Photos. It should be somewhere on the front, as you can see right here. But if you're trying to find it later on down the line, maybe weeks, months later, you can do so by going into Library and then in here. Never mind, it saves it to camera too. By default, most devices create a screenshot folder, but Xiaomi decides that that's not needed, so I guess you'll have to just scroll through a bunch of photos and any tech videos and whatever you have captured in between to find the specific screenshot, unfortunately. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.